So after a very long pause and lots of thinking and suggestions, I have decided to take lectures on gynecology and obstetrics, and also we will continue the physiology series. So from today onwards, we will be starting the gynae lectures, and we will start from basics. This is the first lecture of gynae. So welcome to the medical soul, where every day will be better than yesterday. So today we will start anatomy of female genital organs, and in this lecture we will be covering only external genitalia. So let's start. Anatomy of female genital organ. Female genital organ are divided into two parts: external genitalia and internal genitalia. Now external genitalia are collectively called as vulva. Vulva consists of 5 things: Mons pubis, also known as veneris. Second is labia majora. Third is labia minora. Fourth is clitoris. And fifth is vestibule. Whereas internal genital organ consists of vagina, uterus, fallopian tube, ovaries. Now let us have a look to the external genitalia through this diagram. The part which I am highlighting here is known as Mons pubis. Mons pubis or Mons veneris. Okay, this part is situated just above the pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis. Okay, so Mons pubis is composed of subcutaneous adipose tissue. Subcutaneous adipose tissue. This is a soft part which is composed of subcutaneous adipose tissue. It consists of hairs after puberty. The second part which I would like to highlight here is this red color part which I have highlighted already. This part is known as labia majora. Labia majora. It forms the lateral border of the external genitalia, where this labia majora posteriorly unites. Labia majora posteriorly unites and forms a structure called posterior commissure. Posterior commissure. Okay. Now the another part which I would like to highlight here is this inside one. Underneath the labia majora, this part which I am highlighting is known as labia minora. Okay. Now this labia minora is devoid of fat. This labia minora unites anteriorly here, see here, and forms prepuce and frenulum of clitoris. Similarly, when this labia minora unites posteriorly here, it forms fourchette. Now this diagram is very much cluttered, so we will erase something. Up till now we have discussed Mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora. Now we will be discussing about the vestibule. So what is vestibule? Vestibule is this triangular region which is bordered by anteriorly clitoris, posteriorly fourchette, laterally by labia minora. Okay. Now this triangular structure is known as vestibule. it consists of four openings. Four openings. Okay, let us see one by one. This opening here is urethral orifice. This opening here is vaginal opening. Vaginal opening. So remaining two openings are the duct openings of duct. So here and one here. Also this side two openings. This gland here is known as Bartholin gland. And its ducts open in here. And these two ducts are ducts of Skin's gland. Ducts of Skin's gland. So, what we have seen here is vestibule. Vestibule is a triangular portion anteriorly bounded by clitoris, posteriorly by fourchette and laterally by labia minora. Okay, it consists of four openings. First is urethral orifice, second is vaginal opening, third is duct of Bartholin gland, and fourth is duct of Skin's gland. Okay, so this was all about the external genitalia. Now we will look at the notes and we'll conclude this lecture. So external genitalia is collectively called as vulva. Okay, first part of external genitalia, Mons veneris or Mons pubis, it is a soft pad. It is a soft pad over pubic symphysis. Consists of subcutaneous adipose tissue. Is covered by hairs after puberty. Next is labia majora. These are the two large folds of skin. Forms the lateral border of vulva and they are homologous to the male organ scrotum. Okay, they are continuous. They join medially to form posterior commissure. So this was labia majora. They forming lateral border of vulva and they unite medially and posteriorly to form posterior commissure. Okay. Third is labia minora. They are two thick folds of skin devoid of fat. They are situated just underneath the labia majora. Okay. This labia majora anteriorly unite here, like anteriorly unite to form the prepuce and frenulum of the clitoris and posteriorly unite to form fourchette. It is homologous to the ventral aspect of penis. Labia minora is homologous to the ventral aspect of the penis. Now fourth is clitoris. Clitoris is a small cylindrical erectile body. Small cylindrical erectile body. The size is 2.5 cm and situated most anteriorly to the vulva. Consists of glands, body and two crura, and it is analogous to male penis. Okay, the next part is vestibule. The vestibule is the triangular space anteriorly bounded by clitoris and posteriorly bounded by fourchette and laterally by labia minora. It has four openings. First, urethral orifice, second, Skin's gland, third, vaginal opening, and fourth, ducts of Bartholin gland. Okay, and the last part is Bartholin gland. Bartholin gland is situated in the superficial perineal pouch. Right, superficial perineal pouch. Okay, it has the only function of lubrication. So this was all about the external genitalia. Stay connected for the part 2.
Subscribe for more content.